Microphone's right there.
No narration.
I put a piece of foam on it to keep the wind noise down, but still. Oh yeah, here we are in Belize City, headed out to Key Cocker. Where'd the ship go?